Thanks for nothing, buddy.
What?
If someone sneezes, it's customary to say, bless you.
I don't do superstitions. Knock on wood.
So you're not just a jerk. You just don't believe in superstition.
That's right. It was once believed that saying bless you or some such would keep the evil spirits from entering your body after you sneeze.
Is that so?
Yeah, that's so. But you know who really needs the blessings? Me, in order to protect me from your germs.
Remind me to ask the boss for a transfer.
Transfer request form 810, right here.
Six months. We can't even get decent power.
You might want to do something about that cold. You're beginning to sound hoarse. Everyone can't afford to get sick.
Gesundheit.
Leaving so soon? It's not even 10 o'clock yet.
I don't feel so well. Going home.
Good. Keep those germs to yourself. Darn it, I think I'm picking up your cold. Hey, aren't you going to even say God bless you? Jerk.